And here we go again. Only 2 radios went off this time. It's good.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central McLean County in central Illinois, eastern Woodford County in central Illinois until 12:45 p.m. At 11:36 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Flanagan to El Paso to Secor and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Gridley, Lexington, Chenoa, Kappa, Lake Bloomington, and Weston. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The National Weather Service in Chicago